Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve 19. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your project in DaVinci Resolve and switch to the Edit page. Make sure the media pool is visible, as this is where you'll find your timeline. Locate your timeline in the media pool, right-click on it, and select Timeline Settings. A settings window will appear where you can adjust the timeline resolution and aspect ratio. Before making changes, uncheck the option labeled Use Project Settings. Once unlocked, go to the Timeline Resolution section. Here, you can select the resolution that matches the aspect ratio you want to use. A standard HD timeline uses 1920 by 1080 resolution, which corresponds to a 16 by 9 widescreen format. This is one of the most commonly used aspect ratios for YouTube and traditional video content. If you're creating content for platforms that favor vertical videos, choose a resolution of 1080 by 1920. This creates a 9 by 16 aspect ratio, which is commonly used for shorts, reels, and TikTok videos. For square content, select a resolution of 1080 by 1080. This creates a 1 by 1 aspect ratio where the width and height are equal. You can also choose higher resolutions, such as 3840 by 21, 60 for Ultra HD, or 4K projects. After selecting your preferred resolution, open the Output tab within the timeline settings and ensure that the option to use the timeline resolution for output is enabled. This helps ensure that your export settings match the resolution you're editing in and prevents accidental exports at the wrong size. And that's it. So that's basically how you can change aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve 19. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.